Struggling to add audio to Google Slides? Your presentation feels flat without sound. Maybe you've hunted for a button that just isn't there, or you've tried dragging in an MP3 file only to have it fail completely. I know that frustration. But here's the good news. You can fix it right now. Learn the simple steps to insert music or narration in under a minute and turn that silent, static slideshow into something that actually grabs attention. Here's the exact process.
We're going to insert audio from your Google Drive, and then we'll adjust the playback settings so it behaves exactly how you want. Let's walk through it step by step. So the first thing you need to know is that Google Slides doesn't let you upload audio files directly. You can't just click a button and pick a song from your computer. Instead, you have to upload your audio file to Google Drive first. That's the secret. Once it's up there, you're ready to go.
In your Google Slides presentation, look at the top menu bar and click on the tab that says Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, you'll want to choose Audio. It's usually about halfway down the menu. Go ahead and click that. Now, this is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up showing you all the files in your Google Drive. This is the same drive you use for docs, sheets, and everything else. So now, choose your audio file. Maybe it's a background music track you downloaded, or maybe it's a voiceover you recorded yourself. Just click on it to select it. And here's a tip from years of doing this. Make sure the file is in a supported format. I always use MP3 files because they work flawlessly. WAV files can also work, but they're much larger and can slow things down. So stick with MP3 if you can. Once you've found the right file and clicked on it, you'll see a blue button at the bottom of the window that says Insert.
Go ahead and click that button to confirm your selection. Slides will take a moment to process the file and bring it into your slide. It's usually pretty quick, but if your file is particularly long, like a full song, it might take a couple of seconds. Just wait for it. Once it's loaded, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. You can click and drag that icon to move it anywhere you like. I usually tuck it into a corner, so it's out of the way, but still accessible.
Now comes the really important part, adjusting the playback options. And this is where AI Mastery really wants you to get it right, because the default settings can be a little confusing. Click on that speaker icon to select it, and then look at the menu bar that appears on the right side of your screen. This is the Format Options panel. In that panel, you'll see a section called Audio Playback. Click on that to expand it. The first option you'll see is a drop-down that says Start. By default, it's probably set to On Click. That means the audio will only start playing when you click the speaker icon during your presentation. If that's what you want, great. But if you want the audio to start automatically when you reach that slide, change it to Automatically. Below that, you'll see a checkbox that says Loop. If you're playing background music and you want it to keep repeating until you move to the next slide, check that box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked so the audio plays only once. And right under that is a checkbox for Stop on Slide Change. I recommend keeping this checked. It'll make the audio stop as soon as you advance to the next slide. If you leave it unchecked, the music will keep playing across multiple slides. That can be useful for narration, but for most presentations, it's better to let a new slide reset the audio. And there you have it. Your presentation just got a whole lot more dynamic. With audio layered in, you're no longer just talking at your audience. You're creating an experience. Whether it's subtle background music or a clear voiceover, that sound makes people lean in. So go ahead and give it a try. Open up one of your old slideshows, drop in a track, and see how different it feels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.